Дякую.
Слава Україні! Слава Україні! Слава Україні!
Russian telegram channels report another shooting in Makhachkala, just 2 days after the previous one. It is reported that the shooters shot at police officers in Russian Makhachkala. Russian law enforcers are searching the city for them. Locals are told not to go outside. It smells like an uprising in Dagestan to me. Well, Putin will have a chance for another special military operation, but now inside his own country. Way to go, comrade. International Criminal Court has issued arrest warrants against Shoigu and Gerasimov for war crimes in the context of the situation in Ukraine for alleged international crimes committed from at least $10 October 2022 until at least 9 March 2023. And Putin's plan to force NATO back from Russian borders has blown up in his face. Mihail Kogelnicianu Air Base in Romania will become the largest NATO base in Europe, bigger even than Ramstein in Germany. The base will soon have a squadron of Romanian F-16s, recently bought from Norway, as well as MQ-9 Reaper drones, and a military city through which NATO Army, Air Force, and naval personnel from 32 countries will rotate. Previously, we were here as a deterrence to any Russian aggression. Now it's more as a reassurance to other NATO countries such as Romania that we are here, and we're willing to defend, the RAF pilot Flight Lieutenant Charlie Tagg said. The great geostrategist Putin has won again. Since the beginning of the full-scale invasion of Ukraine, the NATO-Russia border has roughly doubled to 2,600 kilometers. And after the annexation of Finland, it is about 11% of the entire land border of Russia. And now there will also be a large base, which is only 20 kilometers from the Black Sea coast, 300 kilometers from Odessa along the fighter jet flight route, and 400 kilometers from Sevastopol in Russian-occupied Crimea. Two key advisors to Donald Trump have presented him with a plan to end Russia's war in Ukraine, Reuters writes. We tell the Ukrainians, you've got to come to the table, and if you don't come to the table, support from the United States will dry up, he said. And you tell Putin he's got to come to the table, and if you don't come to the table, then we'll give Ukrainians everything they need to kill you in the field. Retired Lieutenant General Keith Kellogg, one of Trump's national security advisors, summarized the plan. A lasting peace in Ukraine would require additional security guarantees for Ukraine, Kellogg and Flights said. Flights added that arming Ukraine to the teeth was likely to be a key element of that. As I said earlier, Trump is unpredictable for Putin. He is a dark horse. Therefore, Putin is now on the path of escalation. However, what will happen with aid to Ukraine and what Trump's position will really be if he wins the elections, most likely, no one knows, not even Trump himself. Assembly of the Russian homosexual or turtle-type tank. Author thanks his followers for raising money for the chains.
Все ребята очень рады, да, работают Мы вот сейчас делаем танки, которые пойдут у нас впереди, будут зачищать мины и работать по врагу. Вот это все вот ваши цепи, которыми вы нам помогаете. Спасибо большое. Счастья вам, здоровья и всего наилучшего. Вот, и всех благ и процветания. От всего личного состава 218-го полка 7-й танковой роты большое спасибо. Вот такие вот штуки. Вот это вот мы дальше это все будем доваривать, обделывать и все. И много-много уже обварили и сделали. Благодаря вам. Спасибо вам большое. Победа будет за нами. Ура, ура, ура.
In Russia, shit finds you wherever you are. Novosibirsk. "90 Ukrainian defenders return home from Russian captivity today. First moments home after returning from Russian captivity. I think all my followers know what Slava Ukraini, Heroyam Slava means. In the end, they are told, welcome home, guys."
Дякую. Слава Україні! Слава Україні! Слава Україні! Повернення, пацани!
I think there is nothing to argue about the fact that Serbia behaved like a complete whore. Russian propagandist Mardan was very offended that Serbia supplied ammunition to Ukraine.
Газета Financial Times пишет о том, что с начала 2022 года Сербия экспортировала на Запад снарядов на сумму около 800 миллионов евро. Где оказались эти снаряды? Вы и так знаете где. Эти снаряды стреляли по российской армии под Угледаром, под Работино, в Бахмуте, в Солидаре, по всему фронту. Сербские снаряды, осколки от сербских снарядов убивали русских солдат. Ну, задайте себе вопрос, такой простой вопрос. Вот Сербия после этой новости для вас по-прежнему является там братской страной? Вы по-прежнему считаете, что у нас голова должна болеть о судьбе Сербии? Я не знаю, как у вас. Я могу сказать за себя, как частное лицо, безответственное частное лицо. Вообще никакого интереса Сербия не представляет. То, что Сербия повела себя как последняя конченая шлюха, мне кажется, тут даже спорить не о чем.
And for the end, Marines performing dead gunner drills.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.